Yes, so hi guys, what's up? Myself Precious and I work at Merlin AI. Today I'm going to show you a use case of Merlin which will really help you level up your Twitter game. So let's start. We can see what's happening today, and we can see that Warriors versus Kings, the NBA game. I'm a huge NBA fan, so we can see that Warriors versus Kings game took place last night, and I really want to show the world that I am an NBA fan, and I can show it through Twitter, right? But I missed the game, right? I did not watch the game. So what I can do is I I went to YouTube. I searched for Golden State Warriors versus Kings full game highlights, and I can use the feature to create tweets and blogs. Merlin AI has this cool feature on YouTube where you can either summarize this video, you can also summarize the video, and you can comment the highlights of the video over here. And another cool feature is you can create tweet blogs and more. So what I'm going to do is I'll create a tweet thread from this video, and let's go. So Merlin AI is going through the video and it is creating a tweet thread for the video. So as soon as I get one of the tweet thread, so yes, so yeah, we can see a cool tweet thread. What we can do is we can copy it. This is the first one. Second one, we can copy it. We can go to Twitter. We can start a new post. So I felt this to be very cool, and I thought everyone should know it. So yes, thank you so much.